Hello my beauties, welcome to my channel. This side Veronica. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can cure your all face problem with tomato and how it is best for your skin, how you can get spotless and clear skin, literally crystal clear skin with the help of tomato. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, here is my half tomato which I'm going to apply on my face. You can take any tomato, there is no any like specific of it, so just take half tomato and what you have to do, just apply it all over your face, then leave it like this for 15 minutes and then just wash it with normal water. So before doing this, let me tell you what are the benefits of it and why I'm doing this. Because tomato is like amazing for your skin. It will gonna remove tan, it will gonna remove all the acne spots, dark spots, pigmentation, then it will gonna give you a tight pores and it will gonna give you a clear skin. So that is the main reason. And beauties, if you're having dark upper lips, then tomato is like amazing for you. And trust me, the best thing which I found using tomato is that it will gonna give you a glow to your face. Tomato is like really amazing and I'm totally in love with it, and I'm applying it though I'm having pimples because in this monsoon season I'm having oily skin and I'm getting pimples, but after applying this they are so cured and they are far better than before. So I am so happy after using this. So it's like a basic thing. What you have to do, take one tomato, cut it in half, then take half of it, apply it on your face, leave it for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and basically you have to let it dry, then wash your face with normal water and do this 2 times a day. And beauty, just do this like regularly, 2 times a day religiously, and in just 3 to 4 days you will start seeing the difference. And the best part is that beauties, this is so cheap, so affordable remedy, and this is like suitable for all skin type people. If you're having oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, acne prone skin, though you can see I'm having acne prone skin, but still I'm using this, and trust me, this is the best home remedy, and this will gonna help you in reducing your acne marks, acne, pimples, and like this is too good. Even if you are having that, freckles and like marks, burn marks also, this tomato will gonna help you in reducing that. So this is like the best remedy, best thing which I had applied, and I am so happy that I found this. And tomato is too good for your skin. And friends, one more thing I want to tell you, try to use new tomato every next day, because it will be like more good, or you can refrigerate it, but still try to use new one. What you can do, take half tomato, apply it in the morning, then in the evening, then just throw it away, then take the other half next day. So you can do this like a 1 week, and after that, trust me, this will gonna give you a very glowy and clear skin, and it will gonna make your face like brighter, and even your skin. One more thing beauties, it will gonna make your face color, face skin tone basically lighter 1 to 2 shades. So this is the best thing I must do. So I'm going to give you a demo how to apply it and then how you have to do everything. So here I'm taking half tomato. Right now I'm not wearing makeup, just having my eyebrows and lipstick. So I'm taking this. Now after applying this tomato juice, you have to let it dry for like 15 to 20 minutes, and after that you can wash your face with normal water. So friends, here I'm back. I just washed my face and this is like, I'm feeling so supple, so soft and so good. So beauty, just go and try this tomato home remedy, I must say, and trust me, this will gonna work amazingly on your face. Trust me, and this is like too good, so affordable, like super duper affordable, and this is amazing. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding this video, just comment it in the comment section and I'm surely gonna answer you. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.